Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to lift a C6 Corvette full guide. Start by gathering tools: hydraulic jack, 4 jack stands, wheel chocks, torque wrench, and safety gear. Check the owner manual for lift points and weight specs, and inspect the frame for rust or damage before lifting. Keep a clean workspace and have a helper nearby for extra safety. I'll guide you step by step so you lift confidently and safely. In this video, I will show how to lift a C6 Corvette full guide. Gather parts: quality jack, 4 jack stands, wheel chocks, socket set, torque wrench, and recommended lift components like springs or spacers. Verify part compatibility with brake lines and sway bars to avoid binding. Keep replacement hardware and anti-seize handy. I'll explain clearance checks, part choices, and common pitfalls so you make smart decisions and avoid surprises. In this video, I will show how to lift a C6 Corvette full guide. Begin by chocking wheels and locating factory lift points from the manual. Raise the car evenly and place jack stands under the subframe, then lower carefully. Remove wheels if needed and install spacers or springs per instructions, watching brake line and sensor clearance. Reinstall wheels, torque lug nuts to spec, and perform a slow test drive while checking for noises or rubbing. This routine keeps you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.